Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about bedroom, and I'm gonna show you two things in this video. And this is, since we know that this is winter season and we are gonna use some of the things in our bedroom, and today I'm gonna show you these two things. This is a warm bed sheet. We always use bed sheets on our bed. So this is the warm bed sheet I'm gonna show you, and this is the blanket. So, and this is mattress protector, which I have used on my bed. Right now I have not used any bed sheet. I've just removed the bed sheet to show you. So this is just the mattress protector on my mattresses, and this is the first. First I will show you this warm bed sheet. So this I just purchased for we always use bed sheets on our bed. So see, this is a beautiful bed sheet. This is the cushion pillow, sorry. See, this is the big cushion pillow, and you can see this is the gray, black, and then again gray with the white contrast. So this is very beautiful design I got, same as the other. So these are the big pillows, big two pillows I got, and this is the similar same warm bed sheet. This is, I can show you if you can see this nearby. This is very soft. This is very soft bed sheet, because this is not just the bed sheet. This is just like a warm blanket. If you can see the thickness over here, this is the thickness. So this is a very soft. This is like a fur, but it is not a fur. This is a Falalin bed sheet, which is very soft and light in weight. If you can wash in the, which is very light in weight, you can wash in the washing machine itself. So this is with the company Lysa. This is the company, and I don't remember the price exactly by now. So I'm gonna okay, let's just see the beautiful pattern it has. This is a big, it is a king size bed sheet, because my bed mattresses are quite thick. My bed mattresses are this much, 4 inches. I have mattresses, so I bought the king size. Let me just wear up too fast. beautiful it is looking. It's so beautiful. I use old pillow bed sheets, bed sheet covers, old pillows. It's my old pillow cover which I used inside the pillows. See, my pillows are big, so you can see it is easily covering up. See, I have liked it very much. I can give you a closer view. How pretty it is. This beautiful bed sheet, warm bed sheet. This is so soft. I'm sure when my baby is gonna lie on it, he's gonna love it because he loved soft things. When I wear soft soft night suit, he comes to me and hugs me and he says, "Mama, it's so soft." So he's gonna love it. Now I'm gonna show you this. It's the blanket. Where it is? It's again very soft and very unique design. I must say, you will love it. It's a double blanket. Double blanket means full blanket. It's again a very big size blanket. I'm gonna show you like this. Let me open the full blanket, and it is a geometric pattern design. See, you must see. It's a full size blanket. And see, it's a very beautiful and unique design. Generally you get designs from very common designs, but this design is very unique design, and I'm loving this design. It's a geometric pattern design with grey, black, blue. Means a very unique design and unique color combination. See, and it's very soft. It's a semi not very bulky, because I have the bulky and the very thick blanket. I just wanted a semi blanket, semi warm, and the semi thick blanket, which is this. So it's very good and very soft blanket. And since my baby is not here at this time, so baby is not here at the home right now, otherwise he would have come by this time. So this is the blanket, and this is, you know, see how big it is. It is so big and so soft, so soothing and so soft. I'm just loving this blanket. So yeah, these were two of the things of my today's video. I hope you have liked these, and yeah, I have not bought these from these online. I have bought from the person who has made it customized for me. So that's why I have bought it such design so uniquely, and I liked it very much because I like the abstract and geometric things. This is geometric pattern over here because this is so unique design, and again it's so soft, so soft, and this is again such a beautiful pattern. This is for bed sheet, and this is for warming up. This is not for the very chill winters, but this is for the semi winters. You can wear it in the ACs, in the summers ACs as well. So this is, yeah, very good option for it, and you can take in the traveling purpose also. If you are traveling by car or with your own vehicle, So this is very good. So these were the two things. If you like these things, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So if you can get to see the new things and interesting things like these. So please hit the like button and share this video. Till then, bye bye, see you.